Working as a customer integration engineer in Allison is a unique combination of different aspects like technical challenges that are varying every day. The vehicle is a balance between the technical possibilities that it has and the mix of systems that are mounted on the vehicle itself. Allison transmission has several functions, several software functions that are dedicated and depending on the vehicle load. When we are speaking about high weight like the heavy equipment transporter, the driver has an important role in the driving the vehicle because especially in certain extreme situations, downhill or uphill, the action that it does are very important in order to reach the target and drive well. Driving this vehicle is like playing a piano, basically. Every function of the vehicle is like a note. In case of transmission, the preselection, the usage of the retarder, of the engine brake, for the driver, the throttle, the service brake, the park brake, the longitudinal lock, the transversal lock, the usage of the draw box, the transfer case. All these functions are like a note. And the driver must know exactly when to play and how to play this singular note. Our role in this context is to teach to the driver how to play the note related to the transmission. At the end, it's necessary to know everything in order to play great performance. We try to support the customer in explaining as much as we can our function and also showing directly to them how to use the transmission, how to optimize or obtain the best possible from the transmission to the vehicle. From the customer we can learn and we can understand exactly the problem they are facing every day, especially concerning the transmission. So at the end is a win-win in which in one side we help the customer to grow, in the other side the customer helps us to grow, providing information that very often are useful for improving the product and improving the functions and making the transmission better.